Welcome back up aboard the Gross Mountain Super Skyride, everybody. We're about to pass our first tower directly in front of us, so you may want to steady yourself here. Sometimes the tram does sway a bit when we pass over the towers. Other than that, please enjoy the ride and enjoy the view.
Let's look at the camera. You see the camera? I think it's not bad. Look, it's smooth. It's come out of it already.
You can see everything else.
The city is looking so beautiful. Can you see the city? It's super slow, man. The only place it gets to a bit of bump is when it crosses the thing.